Ambassador Eliza Dumawa.
Thank you so much.
Ha? Hiwalay kami na? Hiwalay. Bayad kami na hiwalay.
Thank you very much once again to our barangay officials. Once again guys, palapakan naman natin sila.